Hey, here's David out in the garden, and we use these rebar pieces to stake up our plants. Got some nice peppers there. And one of the things we do is we cover the tops of those so we don't poke an eye out. And we had a red cup on this one. And the other day a visitor came and said, "What's this cup for?" Pulled the cup off, and there is a nasty whole nest of red wasps. So I don't want to spray insecticide on that because we got our nice tomatoes growing there. There we go. Got rid of them. There's one cooking. Oh, there's another one. There, I'm stomping on that one. There was one crawling, I stomped him. Yeah, stomp that baby. Don't have any mercy for red wasps. Those things will hurt you. Okay, we'll get some hate over that, I'm sure. Insecticide-free insect control. That's a good deal. And I've messed up their happy little home there without putting any poison on our tomatoes. Thank you very much for visiting.